Hello everybody, today I'm going to show Aoshima Best 2 series, Aoshima or Aoshima. I'm not sure what's the correct pronunciation of this one. Anyway, this is the Best 2 series. So this is a Japanese brand. So I'm pretty sure you guys are not much familiar with this brand. So I bought this from Japan Booster like exactly a year ago, last February, but I didn't have a chance to open this one till last week because of this lockdown and everything. So I managed to open this one in my spare time. So since this is a Japanese brand, we can expect everything inside is in Japanese language. So let's see. All right, there you go. So everything inside is comes with as a blind box, just like Kyosho. So you can clearly see there are 12 separate boxes for 12 cars. So let's keep them aside. All right, so here is the blind box. As you can see, it comes as a just like Kyosho blind boxes. It doesn't say what's the specific model. It has those few cars as the front artwork, and all the rest is from Japanese language. All the mumbo jumbo, and in this side you can see all the 12 models, golden era of the Japanese cars. So anyway, let's open all these 12 cars and let's see how they look like. Okay, I have already opened all the cars from the cardboard box, but as you can see, I have to open them from the plastic case as well. So just like a Kyosho, they're coming up like the plastic box. So let's open all 12 cars and I'll get back to you again. Alright, I've unboxed all the cars. Alright, let's go one by one. So this is 1979 Nissan Laurel. Oh, so just like you guys, this is the first time I'm looking at these castings, just like you. So I just opened these ones. Oh, check this out! Beautiful plain blue car. It does have this metallic look as well. Wow, check the rear. All the details are there. Tail lights. So side mirrors, they are from the same molding. They are not using any sort of a rubbery elastic thing like Mini GT or any other. It's just the same molding. Check those wheels. Beautiful. Oh, I like that front grille as well. All right, let's check the next one. So this is a 1975 Mazda Cosmo Ap. So this is another legendary Japanese car. Oh yeah, this looks pretty beautiful, with this red color, white body. Oh, look at that rear tail lights and the rear bumper. Wow, that's cool. And I really like this low stance. Wow, check those wheels. Oh, beautiful. Well done. I believe someday Hot Wheels will do these castings as well. All right, let's move to the next casting. So this is Nissan Leopard. I can't exactly remember the year. This is 1980 Nissan Leopard. So if you can see, it's fantastic. So the rear spoiler, front bumper, those wheels, tail lights, everything is perfect. Oh, I really like these ones. I think Hot Wheels should do these ones under their car culture series, I guess. And even I believe Tomica Limited Vintage will do these ones soon. They have already done it, but with these custom items, they will look perfect. All right, let's move to the next one. All right, so here's the second Nissan Laurel in red color. So I think this is comparing to the previous blue color one. I think I like this one most. Oh, see, it's beautiful. Yeah, I really like that front grille and light section. Let's compare with the previous one. So you can see on side, it has a number 1 and 2. They have marked. So in this set, there are 2 castings from every model, 2 color variations. Wow, beautiful, isn't it? Exact same, just the color difference. Wow, perfect. All right, so this is the four-door Canmary Skyline. So I think this is the most popular casting on this set. So this one is popular among the collectors as the Nissan Skyline Canmary shark nose model. So wow, check that one. So if you are a collector, Hot Wheels has done this exact casting several times in their main line. But this is outstanding. Check those details. I love this style, white body, that shark nose area highlighted. Wow, well done. So here's the second color variation of Mazda Cosmo. So this one comes with the pearl white color. Wow, check that front grille. Check that one. Wow, beauty. So this is the exact same casting, just the color variation, color difference. So I think I like the previous color tone, than this plain white. But doesn't matter. This one is very, very, very highly detailed. All right, let's move to the next one. All right, this is 1981 Nissan Cedric 430. Wow, check that one. This is a super luxury car in that era, and with this low stance, it looks beautiful. Wow, check that. So that's the screw. If you want, you can unscrew the car from the base. Wow, I like this metallic purplish color, and see those wheels. Wow. All right, let's check the next casting. All right, the next one is the four-door Canmary second color variation. So this is a red color one. Wow, check that one. I like that shark nose area. Low profile, low tires, that detailed. Wow, detailed back. All right, let's move to the next one. All right, so this one is 1977 Nissan Cedric 330. So previously I showed you 1981 Cedric. So this is the older version. Wow, wow. Check that one. Check that rear spoiler. It comes from starting from the rear door, and it just went past the tail lights. Wow, beautiful. Nice casting. Check that front grille. All the details are there. Well done. Oh, these ones are highly collectible ones for sure. Alright, so this is the next color variation of the Cedric. Oh, beautiful, isn't it? I like this black color white body area, It's better than the blue one, I guess, Wow. So you see, it's exactly the same one, but this ash color one got more details, I think, with that blackish area. Alright, so here's the 1981 Cedric's second color variation with the uh, white body paint. Nice, isn't it? Oh, I don't know why they are not doing these models anymore, because I haven't seen these ones in um, any resellers. Alright, so this is the second color variation of 1980 Nissan Leopard. So I kept this one till last because this is my favorite casting out of all 12. Wow, check that one with this gold color paint and see the aerodynamics they have considered in those days, 1980s. Wow, beautiful casting. Wow, I have Tomica Limited Vintage one as well, but that's outstanding casting. This is alright. So check those details. Silver color door handle, all plastic tail lights, spoiler. Wow, beautiful. So wait, hold on a second. Yep. All right, let's unscrew this one for you guys because I need to check whether these ones are rolling or not. Let's unscrew. Slowly, I don't want to damage the base. All right, this has the plastic base, not a metal one. So let's check. Wow, 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 wow. It's not that light. It's heavy, a bit heavy. So I believe all the other models look same from the base, Oh. And the good thing is it's rolling. So that's what we want. Yes, that, and I know these ones are not to play or not for kids. These are highly collectible models, but rolling is a must for me. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful casting. Perfectly rolling. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. So I'll upload few photos to my Instagram page, Diecast Beast. Please follow me on Instagram as well. Please hit subscribe on YouTube and give your comments in the comment section as well. I'll see you guys in another video soon. All right, bye.